Question 16, we're given a graph of a parabola and we're asked some questions. Well, this is known as opening upwards because it's going to keep going forever and ever upwards. So this is what's called upwards, not downwards. Downwards would be the frown, right? This is downwards. Going downwards. Find both the x and y intercepts. Make sure to do the following. Okay, x-intercepts, we can see two of them. So we can see that's, and just watch the tick marks here. This is -2, so that's -4. This is 2, so -4 and 2. -4 and 2. Don't get them reversed. You see, separate them with a comma. So y-intercept, it does cross the y. It crosses at y equals -8. So the y-intercept, let's see, for both x, y, make sure to do the following. If there's more than one, separate them with commas. If there are none, select none. And again, as far as formatting, now y-intercept, we could list it as the point 0, -8. But I think this way, Alex is just wanting this number to be input. In x-intercepts, what would these be? Well, these are x values. The y would be 0. So again, technically, if you want the points, it's -4, 0 and 2, 0. But when they have it this way, I believe they're just looking for this. Let's go to the answers and see exactly. And that's why sometimes they, it'd be nice if they said, give your answer as ordered pairs, or just give the. So remember, all your answers are down here. Should be able to find all of these. 16, how's that? Okay. Yeah, they just want the numerical answers. Okay, and then let's go back. 16. Find the equation of the axis of symmetry. So what is the axis of symmetry? It's what cuts it in half. And so we see here's the vertex. It's cut. It looks like it might be a little. We're going to call that -1. And so what the axis of symmetry is, this vertical line. It cuts it in directly in half, and that's at x equals -1. Notice it's an equation. We have to give that as an equation. X equals -1. It's not just -1, it's x equals. It's not y equals -1, it's x equals -1. It's a vertical line cutting the thing in half. Okay. Find the coordinates of the vertex. Well, that's that point right here, so that's going to be -1, -9. So read those right off of there. Also, just to kind of help with the future one, even though this one doesn't, if they wanted the range, right, the lowest y value is right here at -9, so the range is, well, one way to write is y greater than or equal to -9, which we write as -9 to infinity, bracket, because -9 is included, to infinity. Okay. But for this, we just put -1, -9 here. Okay. And they've got the parentheses already for us, so we just put those in those boxes. All right, I'm going to stop here. I'll do this one as a separate because it's a little different.